Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. So, welcome to the session of EVS. Yes, this is your EVS session now. Please take out your EVS books, and I am Mrs. Nancy Sharma, your EVS developer. Okay, so please take out your EVS books, that is Global Me, Science and Social Studies, Tier Book 2 of 6, Our Body. Okay, now please open your page. We have already done this page number 5, isn't it? Have you done this page number 5? All right, now come to the next part. Come to page number 6, children. Today we will discuss page number 6. Okay, so what are you going to do? Quickly write the date on the top. What is the date today? And what is the day? Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever? And also mark the weather of today. Okay, now let's mark these. Okay, number one is the arrow has gone to head. What is this? Head. So you have to trace on this. You will write head. And children, I again and again repeat the same thing. Kindly please learn these spellings. Now you are grown up, you have to learn these spellings. Okay, so what are you going to write? Head. 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 And please write between the lines and write it neatly. Number 2, where is the arrow number 2? It is hair, right? So what are you going to write? Hair, hair. Hair, and tick on hair. Okay, so you have to tick on this. Okay, the words are given below also, but you should learn the spellings also, children. The next, number 3 is, what is this? What is this? This is eyebrow. So you will write eyebrow. And please write it neatly. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Brow. Fine. And now take on eyebrow. Fourth. Where is the fourth point going? What is this? This is eye. Eye. So right here Y eye. Okay. Number 5. This. What is this? This is nose. Take on nose and write Nose. Everyone knows this. What is this? This is nose. Clear? Number 6. What is this? This is lips. So take on lips and write on number 6 lips. 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 Number 7. Where is number 7? Number 7 is, what is this? I think we have mistaken. Number 6 is, it has gone till ear. So we have to write ear on number 6. Okay, number 6 is ear. See, I'll show you. The arrow has gone till ears. Can you see this? So what are you going to write? This is ear. When we mark, when we notice or point out to only one, so it means ear. When we point on both, it means ears, because ears, we have 2 ears. So now it's pointed to only one ear, so we will write ear. Ear. Okay. The next, number 7 is lips. Number 7 is lips. So write L. Just wait. I have gone below the line. I'll again try to write between the lines. Lips. Lips. This is lips. Fine. Number 8. What is this, children? This is neck. This is neck. So what are you going to write? Neck. Neck. Is it clear? Head, hairs, eyebrow, eye, nose, ear, lips, and neck. Fine. Now come to the below part. Write the names of body parts in the blank provided. Now you have to write the names of the body parts. Below neck is the body parts. So let's mark now. Okay, see the very first over here. What is this? This is chest. So tick on chest and write chest over here. Chest. Chest. What is this? This is shoulders. If we talk, we have two shoulders, but now the arrow is only to one. So what are you going to write? Shoulder. You will not write S with it. Okay? Shoul. Kindly please trace on it neatly. Ulder. Shoulder. Have you written? Write along with me, children. Finish your work. Very good. And we'll stick on shoulder. See the next now. What is the next? This. What is this? This part. This is your stomach, tummy. We call it stomach. The actual name of the tummy is stomach. 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 This is stomach. Fine. The next. What is this? This is arm. So tick on arm and write arm. ARM. Just wait. This is arm. ARM. Okay. Now just see. What is this? We call it elbow. We call it elbow. EL ELBOW. 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 Fine. Now comes the next. What is this? This is hand. What is this? Hand. This everyone knows. HAND. 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 Is fine. Now comes the next. What is this? This is leg. What is this? Leg. 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 Next. What is this now? Little bit below the leg is knee. We call it in Hindi ghutna. Okay, knee. 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 Now comes the next. What is this? This is, can anyone tell me? This is feet. So write feet. 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 The next comes toes. The next comes toes. 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 Next is toes. Fine, is it clear? So this is the parts of the body. Fine. Now children, see. Now tell me quickly, do you know the five sense organs? Which are the five sense organs? That are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and what? Who will tell? I am not going to tell you. Skin. Okay, the skin is your five sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Okay, from your eyes, what is the sense organ called? Like, see, you can sense anything. From your eyes, you can see, right? From your nose, you can smell. From your ears, you can hear. From your tongue, you can taste. And from your skin, you can feel. Okay? When someone pinches you, you can feel with the help of your skin. So these are the five sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? We have five sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Clear, children? I hope this much is clear. Okay, now write your daily diary. The homework is for EVS. And what are you going to write? Do page number 6. Fine. And moreover, please turn back your page. Can you see this? Count the parts activity. Count the parts. Activity 2. Let the children count the number of body parts they have and name the parts they have in pairs. See, you have some body parts which are in pairs also. Pairs means two. Do you have one eye? No. This is called pairs. You have two eyes. Okay? And two ears. I'm going to tell you the body parts which are in pairs: two eyes, two ears, two hands, two arms, two shoulders, fine, two legs, two feet, two toes. Fine, these are the body parts which you have in pairs. Is it clear? Rest of the body part is you have only one. Do you have two stomach? No, you have one stomach. Do you have two nose? No, you have one nose. Is it clear to you all? Fine. Now, I hope you all have written your diaries. You have to complete your page number 6. And it's time for the last minute task. Wow! Name the five sense organs. You have to name five sense organs which I have told you. Quickly finish your last minute task and send me. Bye. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.